Ever found yourself in a tangled mess of cables, desperately searching for an open outlet, only to realize your bulky charger is blocking 3 others? We've all been there, the frustration of a power setup that just doesn't work for you. But what if you could banish that chaos forever and power all your devices safely and efficiently? Today, we're diving deep into the world of multi-plug extension cords. We've rigorously tested, compared, and broken down my top 3 picks. Our mission? To help you find the absolute perfect power solution for your unique space and needs, ensuring safety, convenience, and peace of mind. We're not just looking at any old power strips, we're exploring 3 standout contenders. Each one brings something unique to the table, designed to solve different power dilemmas. Get ready to meet the PowerMax Pro Surge Guard, my go-to recommendation for serious tech users. The VoltSafe Ultra Strip, a sleek, space-saving marvel for compact living. The Shieldline Heavy Duty, the undisputed champion for rugged environments and demanding tools. Stick around until the very end, because we'll wrap it all up with a comprehensive pros and cons list. This will ensure you walk away with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision and upgrade your power game. First up, let's talk about the PowerMax Pro Surge Guard. This isn't just an extension cord, it's a powerhouse designed to protect your valuable electronics. It truly hits that sweet spot, perfectly balancing robust safety features, ample capacity, and everyday convenience for any modern setup. You get 6 universal sockets here, which is a game changer. This means you can plug in almost anything, from standard 2-prong plugs to those chunky laptop adapters, without ever wrestling for space or blocking adjacent outlets. It's all about maximizing your connectivity without compromise. The 3-meter, flame-retardant cable is another standout feature. It's incredibly thick and sturdy, providing exceptional durability and giving you the flexibility to position your power hub exactly where you need it. No more stretching or awkward placements, just clean, reliable power. Now the absolute highlight is its built-in surge protection, rated at an impressive 2,500 joules. This isn't just a number, it's serious protection. It's more than enough to confidently handle everyday power spikes from thunderstorms, grid fluctuations, or even unexpected appliance startups, safeguarding your expensive gear. It even includes a clear LED indicator, so you always know your devices are actively protected. Plus, for families, the integrated child safety shutters are a must-have, offering crucial peace of mind if you have curious little ones exploring your home. Safety is truly paramount with this model. In my rigorous tests, I pushed this cord to its limits. I plugged in a high-end gaming PC, dual monitors, a laser printer, and multiple chargers simultaneously. The cord remained cool to the touch, sockets held plugs firmly, and it flawlessly tripped exactly as expected during a simulated power surge, proving its reliability. The only minor drawback? It is a bit bulkier than some slimmer models on the market. So if you're aiming for an ultra-minimalist, discrete desk setup, it might not be the most invisible option. However, for tech users, avid gamers, and anyone running a serious home office, the PowerMax Pro Surge Guard is simply as good as it gets for protecting your investment. Next, we've got the VoltSafe Ultra Strip, and if you're battling limited space or simply despise bulky power strips, you are going to absolutely love this ingenious design. It's crafted for efficiency and aesthetics, making it perfect for modern, compact living. This strip features 4 cleverly angled sockets, a brilliant design choice. This means those notoriously large, chunky power adapters won't block neighboring slots, allowing you to utilize every single outlet. It's a smart layout that truly saves precious desk space and keeps your setup looking incredibly neat and organized. The 1.8-meter cable is shorter than some, making it ideal if your wall sockets aren't too far away from your devices. On the plus side, its lightweight and slim body makes it incredibly easy to move around. It even comes with convenient mounting holes, so you can easily secure it to a wall or under a desk, keeping it entirely off the floor and out of sight. Surge protection is included, providing a good baseline of safety, but it's on the lighter side compared to the PowerMax Pro. It's perfectly adequate for protecting devices like lamps, phone chargers, smart speakers, or a small TV. However, I wouldn't rely on it for high-end gaming rigs or sensitive professional equipment. Performance-wise, the VoltSafe Ultra Strip is absolutely perfect for minimal setups, dorm rooms, or small apartments where every inch counts. It excels at decluttering and providing accessible power. Just be mindful that the shorter cable could be a limiting factor if you need more flexibility or reach across a larger room. And last but certainly not least, we have the Shieldline Heavy Duty. This beast is built for one thing and one thing only: raw, uncompromising power handling, and extreme durability. If you need a power strip that can take a beating and keep on delivering, this is your champion. You get 5 robust, grounded sockets, ready for anything you throw at them. It boasts a massive 5-meter cable, featuring incredibly thick insulation that screams industrial strength and safety. The rugged housing is designed to withstand harsh environments, making it an absolute tank among extension cords. This is the model I'd unequivocally trust for power tools, heavy-duty appliances, and demanding workshop setups. Need to run a vacuum cleaner, a power drill, and a sander simultaneously? No problem. Blending your morning smoothie while toasting bread in the kitchen? The Shield line handles it all without breaking a sweat. While surge protection is decent here, it's primarily focused on preventing overloads and maintaining a steady current, rather than protecting ultra-sensitive electronics from subtle spikes. Its main strength lies in its ability to manage high-power draw and resist physical abuse, ensuring consistent performance in tough conditions. And yes, it's heavier and definitely not designed to be a decorative piece in a chic living room. But in a garage, a workshop, a utility room, or even a busy kitchen, it doesn't just survive abuse, it absolutely thrives in it. If your environment demands unwavering toughness and reliability over sleek aesthetics, the Shield line Heavy Duty is your ultimate workhorse. Let's quickly stack these incredible power solutions against each other, making your choice even clearer. PowerMax Pro Surge Guard, your best all-rounder. It offers 6 universal sockets, top-tier 2500 Joules surge protection, and is absolutely fantastic for protecting all your tech setups, from gaming PCs to home offices. VoltSafe Ultra Strip, the perfect pick for small spaces. Its clever angled sockets, compact design, and mounting options make it ideal for decluttering, though it comes with a shorter cable. Shield line Heavy Duty, the industrial strength champion. With its long, rugged cable and robust build, this is your go-to for heavy appliances, power tools, and any environment that demands uncompromising durability. Let's summarize the overarching benefits and potential drawbacks of investing in a quality multi-plug extension cord. Positives. All 3 models significantly improve safety with their integrated surge protection, guarding your valuable electronics. Multiple sockets mean you can power more devices from a single outlet, drastically reducing frustrating plug swaps and cable clutter. Durable materials and robust construction ensure these cords resist wear and tear, offering long-lasting reliability. Added convenience thanks to thoughtful features like ample cable length, clever socket layouts, and mounting options. Negatives. Without proper cable management, even the best extension cords can contribute to cable clutter, so plan your setup. Some models, like the VoltSafe, have lower surge ratings, meaning they might not be suitable for your most sensitive or expensive electronics. Bulk or weight can be a downside depending on the model and your aesthetic preferences, especially for the PowerMax Pro and Shield line. Crucially, as with any electrical device, misuse or overloading an extension cord can still be dangerous, so always use them responsibly. So after all that, which one is my ultimate pick? If I could only have one extension cord to rule them all, I would confidently grab the PowerMax Pro Surge Guard. Its exceptional balance of safety, generous socket count, and rock-solid build quality makes it an unbeatable choice for most modern users. However, if space is your biggest challenge, the VoltSafe Ultra Strip is your undisputed space-saving champ. And for anything that demands industrial-grade toughness and raw power handling, the Shield line Heavy Duty is the only call. Which of these incredible multi-plug extension cords fits your unique setup and power needs best? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, in-depth tech gear reviews. Until next time, stay powered up, stay safe, and make smart choices for your electronics.